For this example, we're going to divide 18 minus 2x over 7x squared minus 77x divided by 2x squared minus 162 over 7x. Now, to do division, you just have to remember that you have to flip the second fraction and change this to multiplication. So you have 18 minus 2x over 7x squared minus 77x times, we're going to flip this fraction, 7x over 2x squared minus 162. Now we're going to factor everything and see if anything reduces. On the top of this one, we have 2 as a GCF. And if we divide by 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9, minus 2x divided by 2 is x. And now on this one, we also have a GCF of 7, but then also of x, because they both have x in common. If we divide 7x squared by 7x, we just have x left over. Minus 77 divided by 7 is 11, and the x's would end up canceling. And now times 7x is just 7 times x. And we can take out a GCF here of 2. And once we divide by 2, we'll have x squared minus 81. And now we can continue to factor this because this is the difference of squares. X squared is a perfect square and 81 is a perfect square. So this will end up being x. The square root of 81 is 9. And one of these needs to be minus, and one of them needs to be plus. So we don't need this anymore. Now we're just going to cancel any like terms. So 9 minus x is almost like x minus 9. They're not exactly the same, but they are opposites. And anytime we have opposites, we can cancel them. But we have to remember to leave a negative 1. Okay? So just remember, if you're going to cancel opposites, you need to leave a negative 1. And now the 7x's are also common, and we can cancel out those. And the 2's we can cancel out. So on the top, all we have left is this negative 1. And on the bottom, it looks like we have an x minus 11 and an x plus 9. And so that looks like it will be our final answer.